Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about why vegetables are important for new moms and how healthy eating can support your daily pumping routine. Caring for a newborn requires a lot of energy, which is why eating balanced meals is so important. Vegetables are a valuable part of a healthy diet because they provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that support your overall well-being. Adding a variety of colorful vegetables to your meals can help you enjoy a wide range of nutrients. Leafy greens, carrots, broccoli, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes are just a few examples of nutritious choices. Many mothers find that preparing vegetables in advance makes healthy eating much easier during busy days. Fresh, steamed, roasted, or added to soups and salads, vegetables can fit into almost any meal. If you're following a pumping routine, remember that no single vegetable has been proven to increase milk supply on its own. A healthy milk supply is generally supported by regular feeding or pumping, staying hydrated, eating balanced meals, and getting enough rest whenever possible. Before a pumping session, having a nutritious meal or snack can help you feel more energized and comfortable. Pairing vegetables with foods rich in protein and whole grains creates a balanced meal that supports your daily nutritional needs. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration and balanced nutrition go hand in hand as part of a healthy routine. Every mother's nutritional needs are different, so choose foods that you enjoy and that fit your lifestyle. If you have questions about your diet while breastfeeding or pumping, speak with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. With healthy eating habits, regular pumping, proper hydration, and good self-care, you can build a routine that supports both you and your baby. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.